Hello everyone, today I am in Thane at Misal Festival. You know what is Misal? It is a delicacy of Maharashtra. But wait, it is not a street food. You go in restaurant, sit down and you order 2 misal please. And misal is usually spicy, hot, and it is usually eaten with pav, bread. And if it gets even more spicy, I brought a little backup. Okay, and I'm not alone here. I'm joined by my friend Reshma. She is going to guide me through this misal tour. And I also have Yogesh. You have seen him in my Ladakh videos.
That's right.
And there's also Amber behind the camera. Reveal yourself. So let's get inside and taste some misal. It was fine. Veggie stalls here, and we are going to tell you about the hotness, the spiciness of the misal, the levels of hotness, enjoyable hot or too much hot, or give me that candy hot.
The black spices are used in this in making of this misal, and it is served with this papad. It was not so spicy.
Comfortable.
I was expecting. Yeah, it is comfortable. You can eat it.
Long queue for this one, because this one is little special. It is made on traditional clay stove by burning wood.
After a long queue, finally we have achieved this misal, Chulivarchi misal, special Kolhapuri, and we have also added the gavhi cut into that. Let's taste it now.
Not too hot. Quite enjoyable. Quite hot, but not give me that candy hot. Good.
This misal seems to be really spicy, and I'm gonna enjoy the taste.
Which one is this one? Ratnagiri misal.
This is Ratnagiri misal.
So far, the Ratnagiri misal is the winner. It is quite spicy one. Now we are going to taste the Pune misal. Still standing in the queue. do you say? Yeah. So what are we going to eat right now? Halwas. Custard. This was first ever Misal Festival in Thane. We finally found one hot misal. Now the darkness is falling and the crowd inside is increasing. You can understand the craze for misal in Maharashtra. And I hope next year the Misal Festival is bigger than this one.
More spicy.
Yeah, and we get more and more spicy misals, more variety of misals. Right, I have to end this video here. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Bye.
Misal. Somebody.